I'm Ingrid Barrett with Century 21 Redwood and the Focus on Nova team. Today, the top 3 is things that you should know regarding building permits. You should always check on the status of building permits if you are buying a home that has additions or has had extensive renovations. The requirement for permits is posted on each subsequent buyer of the property if it was not permitted. The building officials can impose fines on you and penalties for non-compliance. This fee is usually doubling the fee for the permits, plus you will have to bring the work up to code. Virginia is a buyer beware state, so do your homework. If you have any questions, please contact us, Focus on Nova.